Jesus said, I am the vine and you are the branches. Three things that we have to remember in our gospel for today. It's all about connectedness to the source. Second, it's all about the pruning process that must be made in order for us to bear fruit. And thirdly, the fruitfulness that is expected from all of us. Let's talk about connectedness. As Jesus said, the branch will not be able to bear fruit and it will die if it will be cut off from the main tree. Jesus Christ is the main tree and we are the branches. In other words, apart from the Lord, we shall die. And in order for us to grow, in order for us to be enriched with the necessary nutrients that we need so that we may grow, so that we may bear fruit, we need to be connected with the Lord. Isn't it? It is our experience that when we are far from the Lord, when we are detached from the grace of God, we feel so weak. We feel that we are so prone on the many temptations. And we really feel incompleteness in our life.